Hey guys, so I just want to tell you guys that you guys might be seeing flies flying around in this vlog. It's so annoying. Like the first time I heard about this type of annoying flies was on Furo Douglas's channel, her vlog, where she was complaining about flies, and I was like, I'm not sure about this. I can't relate to this. Well, now I can relate. Me and my flatmates who've been killing flies and killing flies. And no, the house is not dirty. The windows are always shut, so you just wonder where the flies are coming from. It's so annoying. It's really annoying. And we don't have insecticide. I don't even know if they sell insecticide in this UK. I haven't actually checked, to be honest, but we have been on killing fly spree. Killing we have been killing flies. We have been killing flies. Now I'm targeting one. See this one here. See this one. See this one here. See this one here. Like, and you know this type of flies, these big flies that don't have direction, or how very weak. In case you see them flying around in the vlog, I've tried. We've killed and killed and killed. Though this morning they are not a lot because we killed a lot last night. They're not a lot now, but yeah, I just wanted to put that out there. So let's go on with the vlog. Guys, that workout, it looks simple, but oh my choke. Guys, so I'm done cooking. I'm about to do the taste test. I mean, I tested it for salt and other seasoning while I was cooking, but this is bulgur wheat and I've never tried it before, and I made the jollof one for the first time. I hope I actually like it. I mean, let's try. So just in case you don't know, bulgur wheat is a healthier version of rice. It feels like I'm eating rice, just a healthier version. So it's a healthier version of rice. It has low carbs, extremely low carbs, more of fiber and more of protein, I think. Yeah, but I know it has loads of fiber, and boy, this is really good. By the way, I got it from Amazon. I got a 5 kg bag from Amazon. So it was part of my Amazon unboxing, but I lost some clips from those videos. So there was nothing I could even do about it. But this is so good. And I think it has to also do with the way you cook it. I did not put so much water for it to be too soggy. This is really good, really good. So I'm just going to end the vlog here, and what is this light? I'm just going to end the vlog here, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Let me enjoy my food, I beg.